Hi friend, good morning. Today recipe is chaat masala, dahi se batata puri and ragda puri. But before that, I will show you all how to make chutney. This chaat masala is easily available on the street, but due to lockdown, it is closed. So I'll show you how to make and prepare at home in easy way. First, I'll show you how to prepare sweet chutney. For that, I took 1 cup of dates, seedless dates, 1 cup of jaggery, piece of tamarind. This I will grind. Add water to this mixture. The paste is ready with ginger, with jaggery, dry dates, and tamarind. Add put 1 cup of water to this mixture. While grinding the mixture of date, jaggery and tamarind, I had used 1 cup of water. For boiling, I took 1 more cup of water. Now I will boil this on a medium flame. So the paste which was kept for sweet chutney is ready. I had kept on the slow gas for 10 minutes. Now I will add quarter teaspoon of chili powder, pinch of salt, this 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and coriander seed. This is roasted and made into powder. This I mix into this mixture. Stir up nicely. The chutney is ready. Sweet chutney is ready. For seasoning, I took a small pan, put oil in that. Once it is hot, I'll use 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. It's called ajwain. This I will add into the paste of sweet chutney. This will last for 1 month. Once it is cool, just keep it in the fridge and you can use for all purpose. For green chutney, I took 5 to 6 stalks of coriander leaves, 10 to 12 green chilies, pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ginger, half lemon, few stalks of mint leaves. Cut ginger into pieces, add coriander leaves, add lime juice, add salt, add little water. Green chutney is ready. This is for garlic chutney. I have taken 1 pod of garlic, 6 to 7 red chilies. I have soaked them in the water. Now I will grind this into the paste. The garlic and red chili paste is ready. The next step is I have taken this white peas, washed it nicely, soaked it overnight, 1 cup, drain the water, 3 potatoes for boiling, with salt 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder. This I will put in the cooker. I will boil potato and white peas together. Add a turmeric powder, salt, water, and keep it to boil. The white peas which were kept for boiling is ready. It is cooked and smashed. I have used it green moong. I had soaked it in the night, removed water, sprouted, boil it with little turmeric powder and little salt. I took half cup of curd, put it in the mixer, add little sugar and kept it. I took pani puri puri. In that I will add white peas with smashed potato, once the filling is done, I'll put green chutney on the top. I'll put garlic chutney. Now I'll add sweet chutney. Squeeze lime juice on the top. On top put sprouted moong. Add sev on that, garnish it with sev. Add coriander leaves on the topping. Add सब चना दाल. The ragda shev puri is ready. The second chart is ready. We're going to prepare dahi shev batata puri. We'll put potatoes in that. Add green chutney on the potatoes. Now add garlic chutney. Now add sweet chutney. Add curd. I beat this curd in the mixer with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put coriander powder. Sprinkle coriander powder. Add cumin powder. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add green moong. Add sev. Add coriander leaves. Add chana dal. Hi friends, my dahi shev batata puri and ragda puri is ready to serve. Please do try this recipe. Try your comments. Please press like button and please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you viewers.